If you've clicked on this video, you've probably heard of Beat Saber. But just in case you haven't, Beat Saber is a VR rhythm game that involves slicing blocks in different directions in time to music. Sounds like a pretty fun concept, right? Well, millions agree. Since the release of Beat Saber in 2018, Beat Saber has had over 4 million downloads, even potentially 5 million downloads now with the success of the Quest over Christmas. And it's usually the #1 game on Oculus, Steam, or PlayStation VR, and it's kept that position for quite a long time. But is Beat Saber so successful for its fun game mechanics, or is there something else at play? I mean, Beat Saber wasn't the first VR rhythm game. There's games like Audio Shield and Synth Riders that were released around the same time, and they didn't capitalize on the same success. What is it about Beat Saber that has contributed to this viral success? Well, that's where modding comes in. Thanks to modding, Beat Saber has a huge community of users and creators who are constantly pumping out content for the game for free. And if you're not familiar with the concept of video game modding, basically when players create their own modifications to a game that generally add more features or improve a variety of aspects of the game. I think my first experience with video game modding was in The Sims 1, where you could remove the nudity filter from the game. But video game modding is a huge niche, and there's more than likely a ton of mods available for some of your favorite games. When it comes to Beat Saber, modding has added a variety of features, most notably the ability to add custom songs. By default, Beat Saber comes with 37 songs, with additional music packs available to purchase. So these days, if you want to play Beat Saber, you're basically stuck playing the same 37 songs forever, or being locked in and having to spend money on music packs. And this isn't a bad thing. There's plenty of joy to be had from practicing songs over and over again and trying to improve your score, and the music packs are a lot of fun. But if all I had was the same selection of songs to play over and over again, I probably would have uninstalled the game by now. Beat Saber modding has undoubtedly added tremendous value to the game. By modding your game, you can access websites like Beat Saber that allow you to search and download custom songs to play in your game. There's a huge community of mapping enthusiasts who tirelessly create custom maps for songs so the public can access a massive catalog of music. And I mean massive. Classic songs? Got it. K-pop tunes? It's got it all. Spicy memes? My favorite.
Mega chonker.
The Shrek movie? Yes, you can even play the whole Shrek movie in Beat Saber. These custom songs keep the game fresh and keep players coming back and back for more. I know each day when I log onto Beat Saber, there's an endless supply of great maps available to me at any time. And spending the time to dig through the catalog and find some really great songs is kind of part of the joy. But not only do mods add custom songs, it's also created a community of pro players. The community have created their own ranking system, where songs are evaluated on difficulty and skill and rank players on a leaderboard accordingly. These ranked players mastered Camellia's Ghost years ago. So these community ranks add more challenge and also community events and competition, and adds a whole new element to the game. Not only do mods add more features, they can completely elevate the game into something else. With the introduction of a mod called Noodle extensions, mappers have been able to create works of art in Beat Saber. This mod allows mappers to create environments, objects, and animations within the game to truly transcend the Beat Saber experience, and add a whole new element to experiencing a song. It's almost like being inside a music video. Maps that use Noodle extensions are truly an experience, and previously they were only available for PC VR, but recently they have made Noodle extensions available for Quest, and I highly recommend checking it out. And I'll leave a link down below if you want to check out that Quest mod. There's a whole big world of Beat Saber modding out there, from custom sabers, maul saber, feet saber, hand saber, and so much more. And all these mods just really add so much more value to the game. And I think it's safe to say that without these mods, that Beat Saber may have not been the viral success that it is today. Like, it might be a bit of a stretch to say mods saved Beat Saber, but I think it's definitely saved Beat Saber from being uninstalled when people get bored, or people getting bored of sharing their videos because there's only 37 songs. I can say from my own experience that I probably wouldn't have millions of views across my TikTok and YouTube for sharing Beat Saber default song. I got those views because people love to see their favorite songs and memes in Beat Saber, and love to experience them in a new and unique format. And I know many others who have shared their own Beat Saber videos that have generated billions of views, which all help contribute to the success of the game. For example, the most viral video of them all is LS Toe's Da 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 video, which was mapped by Monty. That video wouldn't have existed without custom custom songs and Noodle map, which is an example of how the mods have added to the virality and the replayability of the game. Regardless if Beat Saber was successful with or without mods, I know that the modding community has been such an integral part of my own Beat Saber experience. These people work tirelessly to be able to create these mods and songs for us to experience them for free. And without them, I probably wouldn't have had as much fun as I've had with Beat Saber. I love Beat Saber, I love the game, but I'm so grateful to the modding community for elevating the Beat Saber experience and giving us something to look forward to. So thank you, modding community, for continually adding such great value to the game and helping us come back and back again to the game we really love.